Westering home and a song in the air, light in the eye and it's goodbye to care. Laughter, oh love, and a welcoming there. Isle of my heart, my own one. Tell me, O lands o' the Orient gay, speak o' the riches and joys o' Cathay. Aye, but it's grand to be waking each day and find myself nearer to Isla, and it's westering home and a song in the air, light in the eye and it's goodbye to care. Laughter, oh love, and a welcoming there. Isle of my heart, my own one. Where are there folks like the folks o' the West? Canty and couthy and kindly the best. There I would hie me and there I would rest at hame wi' my ain folks in Isla, and it's westering home and a song in the air, light in the eye and it's goodbye to care. Laughter, oh love, and a welcoming there. Joy o' my heart, my own one. U.S. Roberton wrote that cheery song of homecoming in the 1920s, and it's thought he'd heard a Gaelic song like this sung by troops from the Isle of Skye returning home after World War I. It's also known as the national anthem of the island of Islay, for obvious reasons. I seem to have known this all my life. I think it first came to my hearing from the Corrie's television show, possibly in the late 1960s, early 1970s. I also came across it in a really well-known book called Song of the Isles, when I sung with the Linnets Girls Choir in Dundee. And it's now on the graded exams music list, so it's really gone mainstream.